Welcome back to Cocina y Soy. This is Carmen Julia and today we're gonna be making Japanese potato salad.
Peel and cut the potatoes in 2 cm squares. Wash them with water. Fill the saucepan with water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it well and bring it to boil. Then incorporate the potatoes. Cook until soft. It is roughly 15 minutes. Remove the water and cook for 1 more minute and let it cool down. While it's cooling down, let's prepare the other ingredients. Peel and cut the carrots in small julienne. Cut the cucumber in thin slices. Massage the cucumber and the carrots in a bowl with salt. Dice the boiled eggs and set aside as well. Wash the cucumber and the carrots and pat dry it. In a large bowl, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of vinegar. Then mash the potatoes, but do not overmash and leave some chunks. Taste it, add more vinegar if it's not of your liking. Add the vegetables, egg, and the mayonnaise to the potatoes and mix. Add a pinch of black pepper to taste.
And here it is, our Japanese potato salad. It's a great side dish that is really easy to make and goes well with anything. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up and comment below. And I'm gonna leave you right here with this. Bye!